Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, we start on the 4-hour time frame, and I just want to show you this 5-wave pattern that, in my interpretation, is still unfolding. This 5-wave pattern that started in September, middle of September last year, and we had a wave 1, we had a wave 2, had a wave 3, wave 4 is likely in the making right now. And then we could get one more high in a wave 5 as long as the support area is holding, which is defined, as you know if you watched previous videos, the support area is defined between 50,725 and 61,800 pretty much. And that doesn't mean, it doesn't mean we have to max out the support area or anything. It is enough if the support area is touched, or if we maybe just reach the 38.2 retracement. To be honest, we already touched the support area. We're going to take a look at that on the 1-hour time frame, but the structure currently would suggest that this correction is not yet finished. So it might be that we are going to visit this orange support region again. Important, I think, is to recognize that as soon as the support area or the correction is finished, ideally in the support area, we should see a surge in wave 5 that can send us to 80k plus. 80k is sort of 80 to 100k possibly for this 5th wave. It depends on where the 4th wave finishes. Just to give you an example, if we take the length of waves 1 and 3 together, wave 3 topped here, I think around the 11th of March at 73,610. And then we go to the low of the wave 4. Now, I haven't got confirmed low in place, but let's just assume it might come down to 55.5k. Possible extension targets, the 38.2 extension, which would be the first relevant target for a 5th wave, already points towards 84k. But as I said, it depends on where it finishes. If the 4th wave finishes at 50.7k, then we talk about even a little bit less than 80k as target. But see, it depends on where the wave 4 bottoms, but I don't assume that the price will come down to 50.7k. That would be very deep and not very typical for a wave 4 that on the Bitcoin chart in the bull market. So maybe somewhere around that sort of 55k area, which is, to be honest, the ideal target for a 4th wave anyway, possibly even a little bit higher. The thing is, this 4th wave is unfolding as an ABC structure, A, B, C. As soon as the B wave has topped, we can calculate a target for the C wave. Not before, okay? I can make some estimations, but they are not really good for trading, other than giving us a bit of an orientation of where things might be going. Okay, but I think that's sort of a good overview of the context. Let's go to the 30-minute chart, and I want to share with you what this B wave is currently doing, wave B of wave 4. The idea is an A wave bottomed on the 20th of March. The B wave rally, it looks unfinished. We were watching and expecting this B wave rally. It's playing out. The forecast was for an aggressive B wave. Yeah, sort of. Okay, so it's not, it can always overshoot. These B waves can overshoot. So my next upside target is between 73 and 75k. And that would already mean an overshooting wave B, and possibly even, if it stretches to 75k. And that would even mean a new 2024 high. And not only that, it would mean a new all-time high. So that's basically what we're watching for. And then as soon as this B wave is finished, the C wave to the downside should follow. But I will not confirm a top in place, not even a local top, until I have a break below micro support. And we are going to talk about what that micro support level is right now. Here, as you can see, this B wave in yellow is an A, B, C structure. There's an alternative count, which is the white one, which is more bullish. But let's first of all see if we complete that B wave. If after the B wave is technically completed, there is another 4-5 pattern, then we have something more bullish, and I have to assume that the wave 4 already bottomed down here. Until then, the assumption would be for a B wave rally, which could get one more high. Should get one more high, really. So I track it as an ABC structure. The C wave is a 5-wave move, and we completed possibly wave 4 in the support zone here on Wednesday. And if the fifth wave to the upside is now unfolding, then the A wave topped, that was yesterday, at around 71,580. I already gave you yesterday a support zone for the B wave, which was already reached, and the price shows a first small reaction, but you really need a magnifying glass to see that reaction. And from here, the price could rally in a C wave. If the C wave starts from here, then it should reach the 100% extension level, and that would point us towards 73.4k. That's sort of what I'm watching, but that there's no evidence this B wave pullback is finished. That's wave B of 5. If you're wondering why the wave 5 is an ABC structure, it's very simple, because the C wave in which the wave 5 is moving is an ending diagonal in which the subwaves are all corrective. But yeah, at the moment there is no evidence that this B wave is finished. The next support levels, so there's this upper support area relevant for the B wave. It's between 69k and 70.3k. If we see a break below 69k, then the lower support region will be relevant still or again. And that's the upper support area, and I would have to assume if we break below 69k, which is the support area for the assumption that the wave 4 already bottomed, I would then obviously have to assume the wave 4 is still unfolding, and it would be a very extended fourth wave. But basically a break below the upper support area would be an early warning that possibly a more substantial top is already in place. A break below the lower support area, which ends at 66.7k, would be, I think, confirmation that a top has formed in the larger B wave. Then, however, a little bit earlier than expected. At the moment, I am watching still for one more high. I've been telling you that down here as well, when we came down in this wave 4, highlighted it looks unfinished. One more high would be ideal. We're in the process of doing it. I mean, it happened here on Wednesday, but still one more high would be ideal, because this top that formed on Wednesday, this fake out, basically, it was only a fake out, and it looks structurally more like an internal B wave top of wave 4. But that should give you all the parameters you need, and that means we could be entering a bullish weekend if the B wave support is holding, because then we could see the price rally to 73 to 75k. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.